The BMW credit card issued by Elan Financial Services represents a highly specialized financial tool designed specifically for those who already have a BMW in their driveway or are currently leasing one through BMW Financial Services. This is the version with a $0 annual fee, which should be distinguished from the premium Precision version that costs $99. At its core, this card functions as a loyalty accelerator for the brand. It offers a very specific reward structure that starts with 4 times points on BMW purchases, including service, parts, accessories, and even lease or loan payments. It also provides 3 times points on gas and electric vehicle charging stations, 2 times points at restaurants and fast food outlets, and 1 point per dollar on everything else. While these numbers look standard at first glance, the real value is unlocked through the redemption process. The most compelling reason to consider this card is the 25% redemption bonus. While points are worth 1 cent each for general cash back or travel, they jump to 1.25 cents in value when redeemed for a BMW Rewards Card. This effectively elevates the 4% category to a 5% return, and the 3% gas category to a 3.75% return. For a driver dealing with the high costs of dealership maintenance or frequent fuel stops, these percentages are industry leading for a card with no annual fee. Furthermore, the integration with BMW Financial Services is a significant pain point solver, as it allows owners to apply their earned points directly toward their monthly car payments. This is a rare level of synergy between a credit product and an automotive manufacturer. Beyond the rewards, the card offers a generous introductory period of 0% APR for the first 12 billing cycles on both purchases and balance transfers. This can be an excellent way to finance a major repair, a new set of performance tires, or an expensive service visit without incurring immediate interest costs. Despite having no annual fee, the card is constructed of metal in an Alpine White finish with a raised logo, providing a premium feel that aligns with the luxury branding of the vehicle itself. Because it is a Mastercard World product, it also comes with added protections like cell phone insurance, a $5 monthly Lyft credit after 3 rides, and identity theft protection. However, there are several drawbacks that a savvy consumer must weigh against these benefits. The welcome offer is notably weak, providing only 5,000 bonus points after spending $500 in the first 90 days. This equates to a value of roughly $50 to $62.50, which is significantly lower than the $200 bonuses often seen on competing no-fee cards. Additionally, this specific card carries a foreign transaction fee ranging from 2 to 3%, making it a poor choice for anyone traveling internationally. There's also the issue of the regular APR once the introductory period expires. The variable rate can reach as high as 30.49%, which is quite high, and could easily negate any rewards earned if a balance is carried month to month. Another logistical hurdle involves the issuer Elan Financial Services. Some users have reported payment verification holds where the available credit does not refresh for up to 7 days after a payment is made. This can be frustrating for those who want to use the card for large, frequent transactions like a full set of tires followed by a monthly lease payment. It is also important to remember that to get that maximum 1.25 cent value, the rewards must be used back at a BMW center. If you prefer simple cash back deposited into a bank account, a flat 2% cashback card would actually outperform this one for all non-automotive spending. In summary, this card serves best as a dedicated maintenance and fuel tool rather than an everyday driver. It is an excellent choice for a BMW owner who wants to subsidize their service costs or pay down their lease more quickly using the 5% effective return. However, the risks include a very high ongoing APR of up to 30.49% and the potential for credit holds. It is not suitable for international travel due to transaction fees, and the low sign-up bonus makes it less attractive for those seeking immediate upfront value. If the card is used strictly for its high-earning categories and paid off in full every month, it provides exceptional value. but carrying a balance at the high interest rate or using it for general shopping will likely lead to suboptimal results.